Let's use RIP as our example, where RIP is not using any of the routing loop suppression features, but is advertising on a 30-second interval. Let's assume that in Fort Worth, the router detected an interface outage. Now, on interval, the Fort Worth router propagates this outage to Dallas, telling Dallas, hey, this router is no longer available. In turn, Dallas should propagate the same information to San Jose. Now, because the routing protocol has a predefined interval, there's a chance that during the processing of this information from Dallas, San Jose may in fact tell Dallas about the route from Fort Worth being available. Dallas all of a sudden gets a route near the direction and says, oh, Fort Worth is back up. And it once again begins to route data towards Fort Worth, which is in fact down. This condition is known as a distance vector routing loop and can result in what is known as a count to infinity problem. Because if a packet, let's say, was in transit from Los Angeles to Fort Worth, this packet would eventually reach one of the routers that would say, Fort Worth is down. The packet would then be passed back to one of the routers that says, no, Fort Worth is still up. And it would continue to count back and forth across these routers in a loop until the packet finally dies at the end.